चोरयेचे घडणुकी उपरांत चोरांची वळख पटोवन पुलिसांची एक टीम तांच्या मागार धाडिल्ली. रायगड पुलिशेच्या मजतीन चोरी करपी 5 जाणांक तशेंच तांची साथ दिवपी हेर 14 अशे एकूण 9 जाणांक अटक करून हाडिल्ल्याची माहिती कळंगुटेचो पीआय लक्षी आमोणकारान दिली. हे टोळयेचो उत्तराखंड आनी लखनौ जाल्ल्या चोरयांनी हात आसा खंय.
Information येयले की a theft has occurred at one of the jewelry shop in Kandolim. Jewelry shop name as Uday Goldsmith, opposite Starbucks Kandolim. जेन्ना आमकां कंप्लेंट येयली तेन्ना आमी आमची टीम फॉर्म केली. टीम फॉर्म करून आमी अपॉन टेक्निकल सर्वेलन्स तेंचे आयडेंटिटीज आमी एस्टाब्लिश केले and accordingly a team led by PSI Paresh Sinari and staff was deputed to Maharashtra at Raigad district. And at Raigad district, along with the assistance of local police, we were able to apprehend 5 people who had committed theft and who were seen in the CCTV footage. Along with the stolen property, they were apprehended and brought to Goa, along with other 4 people who were accompanying them. So total we have brought 9 people. Their previous involvement ha Uttarakhand, their involvement ha Lucknow involvement ha.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.